I'm going to show you guys how to fix this right here. I don't know if you can see the big old rust spot right here, and right here. And this is all through the metal. Also comes down here, but this doesn't look that bad. We're going to clean all this up. We're going to fix it. We'll paint this and we'll put it back together. I'm going to try and do this as minimally invasive as possible. So I don't want to pull the dash out. I don't want to go crazy. I just want to get whatever I have to cut out, graft in some steel that I have, some plate that I have. I've used this for some other stuff, so I'm going to try and graft some of this in. Hopefully I won't have to cut more than right along here and then right about here down, and maybe a little spot right here we'll have to trim out. Along with that, I know that there wasn't a grommet on here, so water could have come in here and somehow ran along here and then went up. I have no idea. Something's happened, but there is definitely a cowl drain. You can see it kind of tucked right in there. Okay, so I did a little bit of work and I started digging into it. This is so far what I've ended up with. I'm still not done yet. Not even close. There's still quite a bit of rust here and whatnot. But I'm starting to get down to solid metal now. It's a lot better. There's still, as you can see, some rust in here, so I might have to try and cut back a little bit more. It's gonna be a plug weld, so I'm gonna drill a hole, plug it, and then I'll burn all the way around it. And yeah, so I'll weld this all up, grind it down, make it all smooth. But before that, I'll put inside of here a bunch of seam sealer, so no moisture can get through here and it's a lot tighter, just so we're not going to have as high of chance of it happening again for quite a while. Okay, so a little bit of an update. I've gotten all the rust completely out. You can see I ended up going a little bit lower with the channel, not too much. And then I also took an air hammer, if there was a hair in there, and I kind of opened the entire seam up. I poured some etching acid inside of it, let it sit and eat out what little bit of pitting was in there. Then I closed it up. I'm most likely, what I'm going to do is run a bead of weld, small one, right across here, just to seal the whole thing right along. Just seal the whole double seam right up. Might not have to with even the plate when it goes in, but there's a massive pit right here. It's still hot, so I'm not going to touch it, but there was a massive pit and I had to weld in a little bit of filler material. Not the prettiest work, but turned out okay. I then saw, as I was welding, a hairline crack, so I put a little hole in at the end of the crack, ground it out, and I'm just going to weld that up. I just touched it. That was stupid of me.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, don't exactly remember what the last thing you guys saw was, but I've been at this for a little while. You can see I've gone and removed a bunch of rust all around. I have all the layers currently separated just because it was easier to get better coverage. I've sprayed up into here with it. I just finished it actually, and I've wiped it all, like sprayed it all off. Now I'm gonna go at it with some brake clean and just clean up this area. Probably spray a full can, actually brake clean just in here to help neutralize whatever else. But yeah, I was gonna use my paint gun, but I also didn't want to. I picked up this right here, and I picked up also, this is the color match color for the vehicle. The doors are off. It's a good time to put hinges in them or new hinge pins. Make sure that the doors are all good. get new bushings over here. So I have all new bushings coming. I have new pins coming in. I got a bunch of stuff coming in for the doors just to get it done and out of the way while they're off the car. So highly recommend you guys go to LMR, pick up some door pins and whatnot and get it while they're off the car. Just do them now and get it over with, because you're already here. Just get it done. That's in my opinion, the best way to go about it. Just while it's off the car, just finish it and do it. Even though it sucks, just do it now while it's off the car, because it'll suck when you really have to do it. Guys, when I get some more done on this, some more progress. So see you in a bit.